All parties Hurriyat conference has raised serious concerns over the increasing control of the non-local entities over the land and businesses in occupied Kashmir, warning that these actions are a part of a deliberate effort to alter the territory's demography. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, cited the large-scale purchase of the land in popular tourist destinations like Pahalgam by the non-locals under the pretext of constructing the luxury hotels. In occupied Kashmir, the political parties have criticized Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha's what they described as myopic address in the assembly, saying that he has failed to mention the abrogation of Article 370 or its restoration time period. Sinha delivered the address at the opening of the first budget session of the newly elected assembly in the Jammu. People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti has criticized the National Conference for what she said legitimizing the illegal and unconstitutional actions taken by the new appointed Lieutenant Governor in occupied Kashmir. Addressing the media in Srinagar, Mufti also criticized the Chief Minister Umar Abdullah for not standing up for the people of the territory. An Indian Central Reserve Police Force man died of cardiac arrest in Srinagar on Tuesday. The Indian official said that the CRPF man suddenly complained of the chest pain and was immediately referred to the nearest medical facility. Teaching faculty members of the Baba Ghulam Shah Badshah University in the Rajouri district have started an indefinite hunger strike in protest against the arbitrary and unjust suspension of the assistant professor at the varsity. The university administration issued an order in which Dr. Parvez Abdullah, faculty member of the Management Studies in university, was placed under suspension, while an inquiry was also ordered against him. Indicating plummeting morale and the distressing service conditions, the Indian Armed Forces are grappling with a severe internal crisis as an astonishing 1,325 suicides have been reported between 2014 and 2024. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service, among these 1,325 suicides, 983 were reported among the Indian Army, 246 among the Indian Air Force, and 96 among the Navy.